dual cab world just got a massive wake-up call. This is the 2026 MG U9 Explorer Pro. And if you thought MG only made hatchbacks and SUVs, think again. This is a ground-up 3.5 TTOing beast designed to steal the lunch money from the established kings. Is this the truck that finally makes luxury standard in a pickup? Smash that like button and subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI right now. Let's see if MG's first ever ute is actually ready for the Outback. Under the hood, MG skipped the small engines and went straight for a 2.5-liter four-cylinder turbo diesel. It's pumping out 160 kilowatts and a massive 520 newton meters of torque, paired with a smooth-shifting 8-speed ZF automatic. But here's the game changer: the suspension. Unlike almost every other ute that uses bouncy leaf springs, the U9 features an independent multi-link rear setup. The result? It handles like an SUV on the highway, but still maintains a 1,000 kilograms payload and a full 3,500 kilograms towing capacity. It's the best riding pickup in its class, period. Utility is where the U9 gets creative. This Explorer Pro trim comes with what MG calls the Smart Hatch. You can actually fold down the rear seats and open a motorized panel between the cabin and the tub. This extends your loading length from a standard 1.5 meters to nearly 3 meters. Perfect for surfboards or timber without needing a roof rack for the off-roaders. The Explorer Pro adds a front-locking differential to the standard rear locker, giving you true 4x4 capability. With 220 millimeters of ground clearance and dedicated terrain modes, this newcomer isn't afraid of the deep ruts. Inside, you'd never know you were in a pickup. You're looking at dual 12.3-inch high-definition screens, an 8-speaker JBL premium audio system, and a panoramic sunroof that actually opens. In the Pro, the driver gets an 8-way power-adjustable seat with ventilation and a built-in massage function. The rear seats aren't forgotten either. They're heated and offer more legroom than a Ranger. Add in the 64-color ambient lighting and a 360-degree HD camera, and it feels more like a luxury cockpit than a worksite tool. At $60,990 drive away for this top-spec Explorer Pro, MG is offering more tech and comfort for $10,000 less than the competition. So, are you willing to take a chance on the new kid on the block? Let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe for more. I'm with DRX AUTO MOBI, and I'll see you in the next one.